All right, guys, I have a real serious question for you. What do you do with your white balls? Well, let me tell you what I do with mine. When I'm in the woods, I keep my eyes open at all times. Now, for those of you who know me, know that I love to mushroom hunt. I show a lot of videos on this, especially in the spring, right? We're looking for morels and all that kind of stuff. But people don't realize, they're unaware that summertime and fall is really good as well, especially here in Midwest America. So as I'm out here doing a little nature hike, I happen to stumble across, you guys tell me what this is. It's a puffball, right? Now, if you were like me as a kid, I would come across these, especially when they're dead and brown, and I like to kick them. I didn't know anything about them. But later on in life, in my mushroom maturity, I realized that these are really good for you and they're good to eat. Now, I'm gonna give you a quick tip and trick on what to do with these things. I like to cut them into slices, but you wanna make sure they're not yellowed or brown on the inside, because that means they're oxidized and they're rotten. They're toxic at that point. So you wanna make sure that they're solid white all the way through. And then I like to cover them with olive oil, avocado oil, something like that, good cooking oil. And then go to the grocery store, pick up pork rinds. And I like barbecue pork rinds. I like Max barbecue pork rinds. And I'll put them in a baggie, and then what I'll do is I'll crunch them up so they're like powdered, and I'll coat the puffball slices. And then what that does is it kind of gives it a crunch, and it layers it. Gives it a nice tasty crunch on the outside, so it adds to the texture of it. And you can add this to any dish, any wild game recipe or anything like that out there. So with that being said, when you're in the woods, don't kick your balls. Take care of them.